The Ghana Premier League is back. After so many months, Ghana Premier League is back. In Johnson, but still, Katokreku Bebo. And then started has the folk. Makato say in Johnson, but still, a finish a leg in the day. Ebebo, with or without injunction. You better Martin number 6:30 and number 6:30. Ewa Tamale, Aliu, Mahama, Sports Stadium, and Asa Martino, Eba, so between a year RTU and Accra has the folk, the Continental Club Masters. After preseason, no, and the Okoshe say, and no man has here, our preseason, no, and Umbetima showcase, and I say, Omuntimi a showcase. Na demonstration so Kotamala, she say, whether no Ayukumu, on the justice, obey Accra, whether no, I say, so a petty near the Okotamala. Demonstration say, Rumbo Nato, okay, Rumbo Ato, Ewa Tamale. Ama has a phone say, near pie, but and your Rumbo in the Bobono, ha, Rumbo Ato, Ewa Tamale. Ama has a phone, Ewa GDS, and a pie, Ewa Tamale, Aliu Mahama, Sports Stadium, and T. Eno and Sem, Eno. Taman. Leg in started. Yeah. First game in there. Yeah. Has the folk out you. I'm sure I can't say the acquired issues.
Well, Chama says a season best start to say bia. Ayana attention a question. Ayana massive. This is a new season. And your last season. Sanke last season performance sanke di uromoa. Can make us a match way and your match and from you. Say here has the folk one last 5 games of money we season now. Prince, now you're terrible. In their last 5 games, House of Folk aren't winning even a single game in their last 5 games. Omobo draw 1 in their last game against Bekum Chelsea. RTU Shomu 2-1. Legon City Shomu 1-0. Mediama Koshomu 5-1. Anna Afe Samatas Eshomu 3-2. That was their last 5 games of the season. No? And to offer House of Folk last 5 games, possible 15 points. House of Folk in your 1. In their last 5 games, last season. This time around, see a ball a House of Folk, ball in their pre-season. There is no doubt. Just a game where House of Folk echo Romuno, House of Folk in your favorite. But see a House of Folk against RTU in their last 4 games between Omumi and head to head now. Prince, are you worried? Edma House of Folk fans because in their last 4 games. House of Folk about draw 1. House I lose 3. In their last 4 games between House of Folk and then RTU. RTU are winning 3 and I'm about draw 1. Say a 4-pointer out of possible 12 points between House of Folk and RTU. House of Folk and your 1. RTU and your 10. A can't be and say RTU House of Folk in their last 4 games RTU a favorite. Say a 4 goals, sir. RTU as a 7 goals. On my consider 2. Say a House of Folk. House of Folk as a just 2 goals. And on my consider 7. Editia Kabefen RTU. But we all know the problems of RTU this time around. RTU ain't even to players and most of their players in Omogani. Most of their senior players, they are no more. And today, if you go to House of Folk, a new environment, a new direction, a new players, a new technical direction, and an echo to House of Folk. And if you watch their pre-season, say, oh, per club, when you best pre-season, will come here, and you're certain Accra House of Folk. Last season, home and away, you know, RTU as a House of Folk. Almost 1-0, our Tamale, first leg, and I return leg, almost 2-1, our Accra Sports Stadium. By this time around, you ask yourself, say, per Juma Runu heading. Our technical director, and your Juma Martin Koopman, our head coach, Dima House of Folk, no, can I to you? So make me a House of Folk for any man. If you ask me, matches involving House of Folk and I to you, obviously, difficult the House of Folk. By this time around, say House of Folk, I'm married to you, epic even a point in this game. I'll be very, very surprised because I reach to you the likes of Sadat Mo or Majahoko. The likes of Nuruddin Mo or Majahoko, and new players, new direction, our club FN are to you. Most of their old players on board last season. All these points, this season they are no more. But our House of Folk, new players, the likes of Kasara Wanet Mo, our Nimho, Oko Chirewa, Kevin Osesibe, and then a brand here. Your friend Kofi Agbesima, they are there. In their midfield, the likes of Tangamu, they are all there. So can I tell you, Ebetime Jina House of Folk anymana? Prince Media me once again. Per what House of Folk did in the pre-season, I feel said. Say your House of Folk and I to you. Obviously, House of Folk is your favorite. And once again, I will be very, very surprised. Say I reach you and your point. Editor House of Folk. And then you may Prince to me, I'll be very, very surprised.
And the house and shall convincingly.
Yes, massive.
Na Emma support on any more.
It should be a warning to other class.
Yes.
It should be a convince win to their supporters.
That goes on almost against the Division 1, 4, 2, 4, no
Prince.
Then the house, Mr. Bear
3.
4.
Who they almost said 3.
And then can ominous mat Kakrabema.
Ebebuso.
Ebebuso. Yeah.
Because in the preseason, they give us a fine preseason, a 5-star preseason, scoring goals like nobody business.
Man first, but they said they more the preseason.
At least
it was the man. Because preseason, they don't more anything on mobile park.
And Nuntra.
Ever ship training.
And you probably my facilities.
Yeah.
But performance no more my scoring 11 goals, 9 goals, Kasera was not single-handedly. On over 9 goals. No today. The supporters wanted to see the same thing. Prince Yekowie, na se kwaya 1-1. Minka says anebe. Yekowie na se ari to you sha.
Na you be adwegu.
Na se kwaya ekma said you me the preseason no. Asena adanko dadadwe.
Material issues wa okosana me ka to say okọ eye Tamala. Has the folk an pay omo ye work. Omo ko work kakra. Oba Facebook no so a. Obenya phobia. E say the more de. Say we mbrofo na time bi. Chelsea moko away a debut adebete anasa dana match no mako work na house dressing in your bad phobia and omo ekwo work ono pay players no ko work ewo Tamale no importantmo omo hwe environment no dimare ya mo ne kasara wa net mo omo ko work ewo Tamale proud to the game has the folk omo nyina dressing the same thing uniform and has players and ono pay omo ko work ewo Tamale ahead of the game. And you 6:30 and a match no for light ebaso makato say Aliu Mahama Sports Stadium no almost say the kakranya bad the stadium na set for the game over Facebook no so Aliu Mahama Sports Stadium enu ni stadium no so I set for the game I trying say ene ebetimi abaso rainbow na to anopai sese ewo Tamale and then important rainbow ato just for this kai agbena omawie ewo enkran to ba Facebook no so another Tamale rainbow na to anopai gidi ewo Tamale and then important man for the rainbow no embo be ma kojina park no so bonya rainbow na to no and my house I say but when your indication etere and they said the phobia guys is ready for the game na me ya aduma and then you may ebo 6:30 p.m. ewo Tamale Aliu Mahama Sports Stadium yes in China you may and I'm at eba so